In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select passwords and security, and then click on fingerprint unlock. And first of all, you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code, or password. Let me go with pattern. As you can see, you need to be aware of this notification, so let me read it. Remember your lock screen password. If you forget it, you will have to erase all data on your device. So just click on got it, and let me use L letter. Then re-enter it just to confirm, tap on confirm, and that's it. So now it is time to add a fingerprint. Place your finger on the sensor. It is on power button, so just keep tapping. So lift your finger up and then put it to add the edges. And that's it. Also, you can rename your fingerprint and click on done. And that's it. From now on, you can unlock this device either with this backup pattern or your fingerprint. Oh, sorry, not this finger, that's why. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.